Before we dive into launching your IPTV business, meet the best provider, 2TV Store. For exceptional support, connect with Nancy. Links in the description. Now, let's create your IPTV empire. Starting an IPTV business begins with understanding the basics. You'll need stable internet, reliable equipment, and compatible software. First, research and obtain the right IPTV setup for seamless streaming. Next, let's talk about compliance. Obtain the necessary licenses to operate legally. This ensures your business avoids potential legal issues and maintains trust with customers and partners alike. Now, you need a solid marketing strategy. Identify your target market and tailor your offerings to their preferences, using social media and online ads to spread the word and attract customers. Partnering with trusted providers like 2TV Store ensures you get quality service and support, helping to maintain a high customer satisfaction rate, essential for growing your business exponentially. Congratulations! You're now set to launch your IPTV business. Continuously improve and adapt to the market trends, ensuring a competitive edge while offering excellent customer experience to ensure success.